Okay, and on this video, in this video, I'm going to show you another very profitable strategy. Okay, I actually learned this from somewhere. Okay, I admit I learned this from somewhere, and I gave it a try, and believe me, it worked. Please, before you try this strategy, I want you to backtest it. Okay, on your demo account before trading it. So this is a condition. First of all, we are going to be using um um just one indicator. Okay, please, we're not going to use the moving average for this. We're not going to use moving averages for this. Okay, but for this, for benefit of those who would like to be on the trend, to be safer on the trend, you can just leave the 200 moving average on it. Okay, so secondly, the zoom level is the last zoom level, just like you can see here. Okay, I've completely zoomed out, as you can see. This is a live trade going on now. I'm supposed to take this profit, but I hope I will be done with this before. So I'm trying to grow these accounts. So I'm doing this specifically for somebody with a small account. Okay, so I want you to learn this. If you have $20, $22 upward, you can use this lot size. This is why I'm doing this right now. So the condition is this. Okay, the next indicator is the average true range. Please be fast. I need to close that trade. The average true range is 14, 1 pixel for the style, or you could use 2 pixel. Okay, the levels, please make the levels 2, just 2, and when you're done, click done. The next condition is you have to shrink it to the last point, the way you can see it, not this way, guys. Completely zoom out. Then the next condition is that here where you have this, so here where you have the 80 arrow, okay, this is the 80 arrow down here. Okay, where you have this 80 arrow, you can see that price crossed, spiked above 2.0. Okay, and when price spiked, make sure that price spikes above it, and every time price spikes above it, it is time to buy. Please just go for 6 candles only. Right now I have exceeded, this is 2nd of October. Okay, this is the first spike I am seeing for today. Immediately it spikes. Please make sure that it spikes above 20, sorry, above 2. Okay, make sure that it spikes above. Make sure it spikes above like this, as you have seen it. If it doesn't spike above, please don't take it. Once you see any spike on 1 minute only, where it spikes above and you see it close at above 20, enter immediately for 6 candles. With this lot size, you will make $2.50 each. So I can close this trade now. I was not supposed to leave this, but because of the recording, for recording sake, I had to do that. So if you do this, let's say you catch this 5 times every day or 4 times every day, you're going to be making, on this account, you're actually going to be making, let's say if you catch $2.5 for 4 times every day on 1 minute chart, okay, you are sure to make $10 on your account every day, and that is a very safe way to grow your account as well. Like as you can see, I grew this from 22 to this 27, sorry, from 22, okay, because of the time of recording. So from 22 to, it's supposed to be from 22 to $24.50. Now from 22, if I catch this 4 times today, I'm going to make $32. I'm going to have $32 as my balance. That's $10 every day. So guys, you can actually make $10 every day growing your small accounts. Now let me show you another example. This is when the price also spiked above 2. Don't forget, this is 2. This is the 2, the levels 2, and then price spiked above it. This was the price that spiked above it, guys. Immediately it closed, immediately it spiked, and this happened. You take your entry immediately and go for just 6 candles. Just 6 candles. Don't go more than 6. Don't be greedy. Okay, don't say it is going. Now this one is irrespective of trend. Actually, this is not a trend matter. This is not a trend following matter, but you have greater advantage if it's on trend as well. Just like this one was on trend. Okay, and of course I'm out of this trade. So every time it spikes out, this is another example as well. You can see this also. It spiked out of these two. Now what ATR does is that whenever there is whenever there's a spike downwards, ATR records it as upward. That's what it does. So other indicators might show whenever it spikes downward. If it was stochastic will show it down here, but ATR does the opposite. So when price is above the 2 level here, it shows you that it's ready to pull back, like retrace a little. So once you see that spike, that very spike that took the ATR outside of 2, please make sure it's boldly outside of 2. Boldly outside of 2. Enter without fear and take 6 candles. This was another 6 candles. So just imagine in one day how many candles you can pick in one day. You know this is 1 minute, guys. Please stick to 6 candles. Now let me tell you the how good it is to compound. Let's say you actually did like I did here. Okay, you actually had 22 or $20 account, then $20 account. You picked 2.5 each account times 4 times. You know this is 4 minutes. Okay, let's say you were a busy person. Okay, or let's say you didn't catch all and then you were lucky to catch 4 of these happen with the conditions met. Your account becomes 30. Okay, your account becomes 30. Next, you repeat the same thing. Now it becomes 30. You repeat the same thing. You made 10. You made 10 and it becomes 30. You made another 10. It becomes 40. This time around, your lot size will have to change. Remember, this first time you used 1.0. This time around, you're going to use 2.0. And your first 6 candles, is going to give you $5. So 5 times 4 candles, you're going to have $20. This is to help those who are growing their small accounts. So also, if you were to if you were trading a $50 account, okay, let's call it okay, let's say if you're trading a $100 account, if 20 could do 1.0, $100 account would do 5.0. So if 1.0 gives you 2.5, it means 5.0 would give you about 12.5. That is if I'm correct. Okay, 2.5 times 5, that's about 12.5. So you can have 12.5 or 13. Sorry, I'm not with my calculator, guys. Right now, I'm not in for the calculation. So, and this is the first trade, and then you go for it. This is your first trade times 4 every day, guys. Just put that together. Okay, that's about 400. That's about $48 to $50 every day, guys. This is good. So if you have $100 account, which I know a lot of people do have, you can jump right in and start trading this. If you have a $50 account and you're picking this strategy at if you're doing 5.0, that means you can do 2.5 as your lot size. It means by 4 successful trades, which all of them are going to be successful if you stick to my rules. This is a no loss strategy. You are definitely going to have 48 or 50 divided by 2. That is, you're going to have $25 every day. A good way to grow your account, guys. Good. This is 4 times trading gives you 50% profit of your account every day. So also, So also, if you had sorry if you had I'm trying to take my time now to show you how to actually make money compounding. Don't say you don't have money to trade. Okay, you really have to. I'm doing this because there was a time I was like this when I really didn't have money and I had to start from somewhere. So this, I'm mainly after those people who really want to make money and they don't have money. So do what I'm telling you to do now. Whether you have money to come for mentorship or not, you can just do what I'm telling you to do and raise money enough that you can also pay for mentorship if you want to, of which it's necessary too, because this is not the only strategy in the market. This is not the only thing you should know in the market. But for now, you need money, so learn this. So if $100 gave you 50%, okay, if your $100 was giving you 50%, let me do the right thing here. This is my board, guys. So if $50 times 4 trades will give you $25, which is 50% each, it means 100 times 4 times trade every day. Don't forget, guys, this is 1 minute time frame, which you're going to catch more than 4 trades every day. But to avoid fatigue, looking at your screen all the time, so times 4 times catching this trade, you're going to have 50, which is 50%. Just know that if you have $500 accounts, okay, the bigger your capital, the bigger your profit. Just make sure you calculate that lot size properly, okay. If 100 gave you 50, 500 is going to give you 250 per day. Every day you trade. So let's say you don't even know how to trade yet, you're still learning. You can start making money with this strategy. Guys, I'm so excited to share this with you. I actually learned this from a fellow YouTuber, and I was glad I saw this. Okay, I'm always out there to make research. As I'm saying, please, even though sometimes you may not be able to meet all of these persons, that is why we are here. Okay, just imagine. Let me see the one I just traded. Okay, it's still in the move. Okay, it's still in the move, and I'm already out with my 6. So guys, you have to be disciplined enough. Please, I have to take my time to explain this. I know that people don't love long video, but if you want to make money, you have to really allow me to explain this thing to you, because you need to make money. You need to take care of your family. Okay, you have needs that will need money. So I was out with my 6 candles, guys, and it's still going. Please make sure it is 6, and make sure that the spike happened above the 2. It must cross here, please, before you count the 6. 6 candles, so 6. Don't go more than 6. And please, not this zoom level. It has to be completely zoomed out for you to see this. This strategy is for completely zoomed out levels. And you see it doesn't repaint. It's just there. So for other strategies I shared in my channel, okay, for the MACD strategy, you have to use the 3rd zoom level. But for this, don't forget, both of them are very profitable. I said I'm going to share a lot of profitable. I have gone through other strategies in the market. I've tried them all out. Sometimes I use my live account to try them out. Okay, sometimes I use a demo account. But whenever I see a strategy that I know is good for my account, I use my live account to try it. Sometimes I use the accounts of people around me, my students, people who are learning from me. Some of you said, do you do signal? Do you do account management? And then, yes, I do account management, but I don't do signals. But I mentor. I'm basically a coach. So learn from what I am teaching you free of charge. Please, the only thing you can do for me here, guys, please, always try to like my videos. Whenever you watch my videos, please, guys, like. It's very discouraging to see 10,000 views, 1,000 views, 18,000 views, and few likes. Like, really, that's not encouraging. And some people just silently learn your strategy without a comment, without saying thank you. Like, I don't think it's courtesy for you to say thank you whenever you get value from someone. Okay, this is value I'm sharing. I'm supposed to give this, okay, with a fee. But I am not after the fee. I'm after how many people I can save out there. Okay, this is my way of reaching out to the world. So if you can learn this from me, I'm trying to keep this very simple. That is why sometimes my videos are long. So I believe that even if this video happens to be longer than expected, it will help somebody. Let's go for backtesting. This is one. This is three. You are very close to your 4 candles. Very close. This is the 5th one, the 4th one now. Please, guys, people should not rush me. People should not say that I'm taking time. I'm trying to help people here. I'm teaching. There's no way teaching will take just 2 minutes. Please, I don't know what you want to derive from 2 minutes teaching. For those that need the money, that need their life to change, I think my YouTube channel is for you. So this is it. This is more than 6 candles. I have 6. I just want to show you that coming to my channel is never going to be in vain. You're definitely going to be happy you came. This is why I said make sure that the candle comes out very pronounced. This one didn't come out pronounced. This one wasn't pronounced. You can see this. It wasn't pronounced. Even though it wasn't pronounced, it still delivered 6. But what just happened here will always happen when it's not pronounced. It came out. This candle closed here. Okay, this is where the candle closed. This spike, it delivered the 6. It pays, but you might be at risk of what I'm saying. And secondly, this is a downtrend. I always like to keep the 20, the 200 moving average on my chart. You get why? So guys, let's keep going. Please be patient. You have to learn this. You have to learn this. So right now, whenever you're moving your chart, if you don't see the 2, that's not the signal. Make sure that it's the 2. Okay, like you can see now. When it was like this, we didn't see the 2, so it wasn't it. This is it. So it means this was actually under 2. All of this was under 2. That is the reason why we didn't see it. All of this was under 2. This and this was under 2. Okay, that is why. So this one now was above 2. Okay, this one was above 2. Shit, the reef my chart likes to do this. Okay, so this is where I was. Now what happened here? We are doing a back test. Sorry. So we are doing this. This is more than 6 candles, guys. Immediately the spike drop, you see above 2. Please enter. Maybe sometimes you should wait for just one candle tick. Once one candle ticks, you know that okay, the rest is going to deliver more than 6. Please, guys, the rule is 6 candles. See why I said you should always wait for it. Make sure that it spikes out well. This one didn't spike out well, but it eventually delivered. But it is not going to deliver every time. Sometimes it might not deliver. Okay, it actually spiked out, but that's not what we want. Please, this is 1 minute. It's not something you should be hasty about. You know that 1 minute would everly deliver. Please, rule has to be rule. A trader has got to be disciplined. Please, it is only discipline that will pay you. So even in a range market, you don't have problem with range, trend or no trend. You are catching your 6 candles now, like I said, so that I can put this recording to end. Okay, if you catch 6 candles successfully times 4 times, you have caught 24 candles. And these 24 candles, depending on your lot size, if you used 1.0, okay, if you use 1.0, you have made $5 4 times. Sorry, 1.0 4 times is actually $10. Sorry, it's $10. 2.0 is 20. I'm ending here, guys. 3.0 is 30. 4.0, let me do it though. I'm trying my best for you guys, so share my video. Please help me. Don't be wicked that Dynamite is helping you, bringing you this kind of content, and you're not sharing and you're not liking. To like and comment is hard. Please don't do this to me. I'm your friend. So guys, I have helped you out with the calculation. Okay, from $20 upward, you can trade this strategy starting with this. You can start with the $20 account. This is it for $20 account. This is it for $40 account. This is it for sounds. This is it for $80 account, then $100 upward. Please do the needful, okay? So I'm gonna end this right here. I want you to try this out, guys, and send me, please, everybody watching this, drop your comments. I'll be so happy to hear that people are making money. Please drop your comments. I remain Dynamite, and this is Dynamite FX, and I'm proud of you guys. I'm happy for all of you who have supported me in this channel, for liking, for commenting your kind words, for sharing, for subscribing. I am honored. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please continue to do this. Continue to share this channel to your friends, to everyone around you that needs help, okay? And you are sure that God is going to bless you. Help me grow, guys. I really want to grow on YouTube. Please, I am begging you. I really want to grow. So this is a small account growth, okay? And you can see that I have made $2.5 in that trade, okay? I just wanted to illustrate to you, and I've showed you, backtested to show you that it's not just that one. It happens every day, guys, every day. So have a nice day. Take good care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay positively. Stay positive. Don't look for trouble. Don't get angry too much. Don't suffer bitterness and unforgiveness, okay? Forgive offenses. Stay away from people who hurt you all the time, okay? And just be happy. Make money. Bye.